सावधान, विश्राम, सावधान. Today's morning assembly is brought to you by Grade 12th Battalion, Sri Shakti International School Regiment. Silent prayer. தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
School song by Shalini.
God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. This is my dispute, inspires me to rise, aspire and achieve through hill and dale. Inspires me to rise, aspire and achieve through hill and dale. The flames of Sri Shakti will lead me on the path. The flames of Sri Shakti will lead me on the path of wisdom and truth. He gives me strength, peace and comfort throughout my life. He gives me strength, peace and comfort throughout my life. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead.
Pledged by Dwarakesh.
India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
If death strikes before I prove my blood, I promise I will kill death. This is what late Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, Paramveer Chakra, wrote in bold letters in his personal diary during the Kargil conflict before displaying the most conspicuous bravery, embracing martyred. Happy morning, students. Today, we Grade 12th Commerce organizing this morning assembly to commemorate the Kargil Vijay Divas, celebrate every year on 26th of July to commemorate the success of Operation Vijay. The Operation Vijay, launched by the Indian Army to clear the Kargil sector. The Kargil conflict witnessed some of the most daring act of bravery by the valiant soldiers of Indian Army. Most notably, Captain Vikram Batra, Paramveer Chakra, who was instrumental in the captain of Peak 5140, laying down his life for the nation while clearing enemy position on Peak 4875. Subedar Yogendra Singh Yadav, whose monumentous capture of strategic bunker at top vertical snow-clad cliff face of Tiger Hill single-handedly made him the youngest recipient of the Paramveer Chakra, and Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, Paramveer Chakra, who fearlessly led the assault on the enemy position during the attack on Jubar top without caring for his own grievous injuries and ultimately succumbing to them. His last word was "Na chodunu," meaning don't spare them. We, being a responsible citizen of the country, should impart discipline, integrity and selflessness in our life of the Indian Army. Despite gigantic contribution in the progress of the nation, it is a pity that many of our fellow citizens have never even heard of the names of some of these brave soldiers. Thus, the sole purpose of today's assembly is to urge the young citizens of the country to remember and respect the pain taken by the soldiers of Indian Army for ensuring the safety and well-being of one and all. Jai Hind.
They lived with honor and died with valor. They sleep in peace so that we may sleep peacefully with honor. Our soldiers who guard the borders day and night are just like us, just like you and me. The Captain Vikram Batra lives in all of us. We just need to rise and awaken them. Words will never be enough to express our gratitude to these soldiers who sacrifice day to day for our better tomorrow. Today, on this special occasion, we, the students of 12th Commerce, would like to give a small tribute to the Indian Army.
Team-based video.
India celebrates July 26th of every year as Kargil Vijay Divas to mark the victory in the Kargil war against Pakistan. On this day, every Indian remembers Indian soldiers who laid down their lives in the war. Kargil war is the story of the bravery of the Indian Army. In 1999, Pakistani soldiers started this war after they infiltrated into the Indian side, built their bases and took the Indian posts under their possession. But the Indian Army was successful in giving them a befitting reply. This war took place in Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir between May and July in 1999. Kargil is around 200 kilometers from Srinagar, facing the northern areas of the LOC. Without informing the then Prime Minister of Pakistan, Nawaz Sharif, soldiers under the command of then Pakistani Army Chief General Pervez Musharraf infiltrated Kargil. Pakistani infiltrators captured India's most important posts, which India had vacated in the winter under the Simla Agreement. The local shepherds of Kargil informed the Indian Army about the infiltration. Then, the government of India responded with Operation Vijay, a mobilization of 2 lakh Indian troops. As they had captured the important posts of India, Pakistan saw some advantage during the beginning of the war. Initially, the Indian army had to suffer quite a bit, but this did not reduce the morale of these soldiers. The soldiers made sure that Pakistan paid for their deeds, and in the end, the victory was India's. On July 26, 1999, Indian Army announced that Operation Vijay was a success. Since then, Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated every year. However, this victory proved to be very costly for India. Official figures say that 527 Indian soldiers were martyred and around 453 Pakistani soldiers were killed. Pakistan started the Kargil war, but when the Indian army retaliated, Pakistan government sought the help of the United States. Bill Clinton, the then President of America, advised Pakistan that they should step back from the LOC. But by then, the Indian army had changed the face of the Kargil war. What followed has been etched in the pages of history.
Gallantry Awards in India by Samvita.
Being in war itself is a gallant. Awards are mere decorations by Pushparana. Happy morning all, this is Samvita from Grade 12 Commerce. Every year, the Indian honor system awards the act of bravery and sacrifices made by the officers personnel of the armed forces and other lawfully constituted forces and civilians. The 6 gallantry awards are given by the government for the variety of services to the Republic of India. Here I am going to talk about these awards and meaning behind each one of them. The first 3 Indian gallantry awards, namely Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra, are described as wartime awards, whereas Ashoka Chakra, Kriti Chakra and Saurya Chakra are given as peacetime awards. First, let's see what is Paramveer Chakra. This is the highest gallantry award for the officers and other enlisted personnel of all military branches in India. It is awarded for the highest degree of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of national enemy, whether on land, at sea or in the air. Paramveer Chakra denotes the wheel of ultimate brave. Number 2. Mahavir Chakra. This is the second highest gallantry award which is given for the act of conspicuous in the presence of the enemy. It can be given posthumously, meaning after the death of the originator. Number 3. Veer Chakra. The Gallantry Medal is awarded for the act of bravery in the battlefield. It is the third in precedence in the Wartime Gallantry Award. Number 4. Ashoka Chakra. It is the highest military award during peacetime. Ashoka Chakra is awarded for valor, courageous or sacrifice away from the battlefield, and it is also awarded to the civilians. Number 5. Kriti Chakra. The fifth in series is Kriti Chakra, which is awarded to both military personnel or civilians for their valor and courageous attempt or self-sacrifice away from the battlefield. The award is for peacetime and equivalent of the Mahavir Chakra. Kirti Chakra is the second precedence of peacetime gallantry award after the Ashoka Chakra. Number 6. Saurya Chakra. Similar to Ashoka Chakra and Kirti Chakra, Saurya Chakra is also a peacetime gallantry medal awarded for the act of bravery. Jai Hind.
The last letter from LOC. Letter of the hero Vijayan Thapar before he moved on to fight.
Dearest Papa, Mama, by the time you get this letter, I'll be observing you all from the sky, enjoying the hospitality of Apsaras. I have no regrets. In fact, even if I become a human again, I will join the army and fight for my nation. If you can please come and see where the Indian Army fought for your tomorrow. As far as the unit is concerned, the new chaps should be told about this sacrifice. I hope my photo will be kept in the Alpha Company Mandir with Karni Mata. Whatever can be taken should be done. He also writes that contribute some money to orphanage and keep on giving some rupees to Ruxana per month and meet Yogi Baba. Best of luck to Buddy and never forget this sacrifice of these men. Okay, then it's time for me to join my clan of the Dirty Dozen. My assault party has 12 chaps. Best of luck to you all and live life king size. Yours, Robin.
Tirukural by Harni Preeta.
திருக்குறள் குறள் எண் 765 அதிகாரம் படைமாட்சி குறள் கூற்றுடன்று மேல்வரினும் கூடி எதிர்நிற்கும் ஆற்றல் அதுவே படை. குறளின் பொருள் எமனே எதிர்த்து வந்தாலும் கூடி நின்று எதிர்த்து சண்டையிடும் ஆற்றலை உடையதே படை. English meaning that indeed is an army which is capable of offering a united resistance even if Yama advances against it with fury.
English taught by Haripriya.
Discipline is the soul of an army. It makes small numbers of formidable, procures success to the weak, and esteem to all. George Washington.
Hindi taught by Dharmesh.
हिंदी थॉट इसका हमें अफसोस है कि अपने देश को देने के लिए हमारे पास केवल एक ही जीवन है. इंग्लिश मीनिंग आई रिग्रेट आई हैव बट वन लाइफ टू गिव फॉर माई कंट्री. सेड बाय ऑफिसर प्रेम रामचंदनी.
Amazing facts by Shalini.
A salute to those who put their lives at risk for us. The Indian Army was established long back in 1776 by East India Company in Calcutta. The first commander-in-chief of the Indian Army was Field Marshal K. M. Cariappa, who took charge on this date in 1949. The Indian Army is the second largest standing army in the world. Indian Army has about 1,362,500 achieved troops and 2,844,750 reserve personnel. Indian Army faced the toughest challenges at the Siachen Glacier, which is the highest battlefield at 500 meters above the sea level. Indian Army also maintain a horsed cavalry regiment, which is the amongst last 3 such regiments in the world. The Gurkha Regiment of Indian Army was once one of the most sought after regiment. Even Adolf Hitler wanted Gurkha Regiment to conquer Germany.
It's time for student appreciation. A big appreciation to Samvita D for her 100% attendance and outstanding academic performance. A big appreciation to Harini Preeta J for her standout performance in Art Integrated Project. A big appreciation to Nivedita T for her punctuality in attending the classes and submission of assignments. A big appreciation to Haripriya J for her standout performance in Art Integrated Project work. Thank you.
International news by Nivedita.
International news. Deeply concerned, World Bank freezes aid to Afghanistan after Taliban takeover. The suspension from World Bank follows the Taliban shift takeover of Afghanistan as USA forces prepared to complete a withdrawal with the deadline of August 31st. California wildfire dangers may be spreading south. Discovery of ancient human DNA in Southeast Asia exceptionally rare, scientist says. Scientists have made an exciting discovery of ancient human DNA that they will allow them to piece together the mysterious ancestry of the people in Southeast Asia. Thank you.
National news by Samvita.
Center has launched eShram portal for workers in unorganized sector yesterday to maintain a database of workers in unorganized sectors. Afghan nationals must travel to India only on e-visas, says Home Ministry. Center sends 2 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses to states. The center has allocated more than 2 crore additional COVID-19 vaccines to states to vaccinate school teachers and non-teaching staffs on priority basis in the run-up to Teachers' Day on September 5. These additional doses will be sent from August 27 to 31, Health Ministry Mansukh Mandavya said on Wednesday.
Business news by Samvita.
As COVID-19 second wave wanes, credit card spending rises in India. Barclays to invest more than $400 million to expand Indian operations. With the investment, Barclays Bank PLC India's total invested capital in Asia's third largest economy will increase to more than 83 billion rupees.
Quiz. Address by Vice Chairman Sir. Brain Yoga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. National Anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय 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 हे
School dispersed.